Hello, buddies. It's me, Anu, your math enthusiast again from channel Classics Maths, who wants every kid to become math friendly. So, here I am with our ongoing chapter of fractions, chapter 7 of NCRT book. So, those who haven't seen my previous videos or want to revise it, you can check it out on my channel Classics Maths in the fractions playlists. I'm sure everyone is excited for today's lesson. Even I'm very excited. So, let's begin. So today's topic is fraction on the number line. So we have already learned how to plot whole numbers on number line. Similarly, we can plot fractions also. Let's learn about it. Let's show half or 1 by 2 on number line. Before that, let me quickly revise what we have learned in the previous video about half or proper fractions. So proper fraction are those class in which numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. So 1 is less than 2. A very important point to remember is that proper fractions lie between 0 and 1 because they are less than the whole thing, right? Even mathematically also we can see that if we divide 1 with 2, we are going to get 0.5, which is clearly seen that it lies between 0 and 1, right? So now let's plot it on number line. So our first step is going to be, we are going to check out the denominator. So what is the denominator here, class? It is 2. So we are going to divide the length between 0 and 1 in two equal parts. Right? This is very important point. We are going to divide it into two equal parts. 1 and 2. Right? Now 0 can also be written as 0 over 2. Then this is 1 by 2 and this is 2 by 2. Because this 2 by 2 means we are selecting two parts out of 2. That actually means a one whole. This is whole. I hope everyone is clear about it, right? How to plot 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. We can check it out that also. So for that, we are going to see the denominator. Denominator for this is 3. So we are going to divide the length between 0 and 1 in three equal parts. 1, 2 and 3. Right? So 0 can also be written as 0 by 3. Then this will be 1 by 3. Then 2 by 3. And this will be 3 by 3. So we have clearly plotted 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 on the number line. I hope everyone understood about it. So there are just few steps that we have to remember. Moving ahead, let's practice some try these questions of NCRT book. So question number 1, show 3 by 5 on a number line. So our first step is that we're going to check out the denominator. So denominator here is class 5. So it means we're going to divide the length between 0 and 1 into 5 equal parts. Let's do it. This is first part, second part, third, fourth part and fifth part. And let's try labeling it now. So this is 0 by 5, or we can write it as 0 only, right? 0 parts are being selected out of 5. Then it is 1 by 5. 1 is being selected out of 5. 2 by 5 means 2 out of 5. 3 by 5, 4 by 5, and then the last is 5 by 5. So 5 by 5 means we are selecting 5 parts out of 5 parts. It means we are selecting the whole, one complete whole. Our question is we have to select, we have to show 3 by 5 on number line. So this is 3 by 5. I hope everyone is clear. So this fraction is 3 by 5. 3 out of 5. Moving to the second question. Second question is show 1 by 10, 0 by 10, 5 by 10 and 10 by 10 on number line. So again we are going to check out the denominator. So denominator here is 10. So it means we are going to divide the length between 0 and 1 into 10 equal parts, right? And now let's start labeling it. So this is 0 out of 10, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10, and the last one is 1, or we can say 10 by 10, means 10 parts out of 10 parts, or one complete whole. Now, let's see what all was asked in the question. So it is 1 by 10. So this one is 1 by 10. One part out of 10 parts. Then 0 by 10. 0 by 10, or we can write it as only 0 also. Like no part is being selected. Then 5 by 10. This point is demonstrating 5 by 10. And the last is 10 by 10, means one complete whole. So it means only one. I hope everyone is clear about it. So, moving ahead to the third question. Question number 3. Can you show any other fraction between 0 and 1? Write 5 more fractions that you can show and depict them on the number line. So, the answer to the first part is that yes, we can show other fractions between 0 and 1 as well. And they're asking to show us 5 more fractions, right? So there are certain steps that we can follow. So suppose between 0 and 1 we have to plot the fractions, right? So first step is that we are going to make the denominator same, right? So suppose here I am multiplying both the numerator and denominator with the same number, because I want the denominator of 0 as well as 1 to be same. So it will be 0 by 6, and this will be 6 by 6. So basically I can write it as 0 by 6 and this one as 6 by 6. It means I am dividing the length between 0 and 1 into 6 equal parts. So the fractions that lie between 0 and 1 are 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6. So the answer to the second part that we have to show other fractions between 0 and 1 is that these are the 5 fractions. In the similar manner, we can have other also. The main thing is that we have to make the denominator same, right? We have to make the denominator same of 0 and 1. Here, if we have to show more fractions, like in this particular example, we have to tell only 5 fractions between 0 and 1. If we want to tell more fractions like 10, 11 or something like this, then we can, instead of multiplying with 6, we can take any number, like it can be 10, 12, 20, any number. Then accordingly we can tell the fractions also. Like suppose if I want more fractions, then I can multiply it even with 20 also, right? It will be 0 by 20 and this one will be 20 by 20. Right? So now we can tell so many fractions like 1 by 20, 2 by 20, 3 by 20, so on. Then 18 by 20, 19 by 20, so on. Right? So we can choose the number accordingly. Moving ahead. Question number 4. How many fractions lie between 0 and 1? Think, discuss and write your answer. So let's try solving this class between 0 and 1. Let's divide the length between 0 and 1 into 10 equal parts. So the fraction will be 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10. Last one is 1 or 10 by 10. So in short we can say that to this particular question that 9 fractions lie between 0 and 1. So is it true, class? No. Let's see how. If I further divide the fraction 1 by 10 and 2 by 10 into further 10 parts, so this will become 10 by 100 and this is 20 by 100. So let's see how many fractions are there. So this will be 11 by 100, 12 by 100, 13 by 100, 14 by 100, 15 by 100, 16 by 100, 17 by 100, 18 by 100, and 19 by 100. Then last is 20 by 100. So again, we can see that so many fractions are lying between this. And further, if I divide this length of 10 by 100 and 11 by 100, so if we want to further divide it, so it will become 100 by 1000, and this will become 110 by 1000. So further, the fractions that are lying are 101 by 1000, 102 by 1000, 103 by 1000, and so on till 109 by 1000. So from this it is clearly seen that there are unlimited or infinite fractions. Unlimited, or the answer is that we have infinite fractions which lie between 0 and 1. I hope everyone is clear, because I was trying to demonstrate that a particular small division has numerous unlimited fraction, and we have so many such parts. So in short, we can say that infinite fractions lie between 0 and 1. So that's it for today, class. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and if you are gaining from my videos, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more such content. Okay, bye bye. See you all in the next video.